So here I am heating my pan. The pan is heated for the sweet pongal, and this is quarter cup of dal. Again, this quantity is for 2 people. Adjust the quantity according to your choice. Now I will slow roast this dal till there's a nice aromatic flavor that comes out from it. So I will roast it for about 2 to 3 minutes. You can see the dal has sort of changed the color, and there's a lovely aromatic flavor. The aroma is too good. Now I'm going to add the rice. So this is again a quarter cup of rice. As I said, I am making this for just 2 people. So I'm going to slow roast the rice also for 2 minutes and come back to you. So I have transferred my rice and the dal to the cooker. Okay, and just let it cool a little bit. I'm going to add double the quantity of water or a little more, depending on, as I said, even in the khara pongal, it depends on the consistency that you want. If you want it thicker, you can add less water. If you want it little bit liquidy, you can add more water. Now this pongal, the sweet pongal, is nice when it is a little bit liquidy. So at the moment I'm going to add 2 cups of water, and I'm going to cook it till it is soft. So I let the rice and the dal cook for 2 whistles, and then I lowered the heat, and then I again cooked it for 2 whistles. So let us check. Wow, it has cooked so well. You can see it is grainy, very nice and grainy. Now to this, and as I told you, this is for 2 people. Okay, so now to this I'm going to add, you can add coconut milk if you want. You can add plain milk. I'm adding plain milk, 1 cup of plain milk. Again, jaggery depends on how much sweet you want it. I'm adding half a cup of jaggery. I think this should be good enough. I will let you know at the end. And I'm also going to add 1 cup of water to this. So this is 1 cup of water going into this, and I'm going to stir it, and I'm going to let it cook again on slow fire, medium heat, for 5 to 10 minutes till everything has come together. All the flavors I'm also going to add half a teaspoon of cardamom powder at this stage. So here I have ground cardamom powder, but it has all the fibers. So I'm going to strain this. Oh. Okay, no problem. I'm going to put about 3/4 spoon of cardamom powder in this, and I'm going to strain it because I'm going to get so much of the fibers. So this fiber goes back into my bottle to be used when I'm making tea. Now I'm going to stir this for some time and let it cook on slow flame till the rice is little more softer. You can also put it on for 1 whistle, but then again all the milk and everything gets spread out, so I don't like to put it on cooker mode after this. I just let it cook like this, and I will just cover this with the cover. So I'm going to cover it and let it cook on low medium flame for about 5 to 10 minutes till all the rice is more soft and more pulpy. So in a pan I'm going to heat 1 tablespoon of ghee and put in some dry fruits. The pongal is ready. It is nice. The consistency is perfect to what I wanted. Now if you use the black jaggery, that is, palm jaggery, whatever, it's a darker color, then your pongal will get more dark in color. but I have used the normal jaggery. So, and this is your pongal ready. The rice is cooked perfectly. You can adjust the sweetness and the consistency. If you want it more grainy, you can keep it like this. If you want it more watery, you can. So let's taste. Wow, yummy. Awesome. Please try, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.